Action-packed learning. Educators from two MedTech 7 schools, Mossy Elementary and Whale Branch Elementary, are being trained to use a new high-tech system designed to get students moving and learning.
The Lou Interactive Playground takes any wall space and turns it into an interactive learning environment where students and teachers alike can use their hands or balls to throw against the wall, answering questions, engaging in interactive learning.
The software blends movement with lessons. Whether it's math, vocabulary, or physical activity, educators say it works for students of all ages and learning styles.
It includes a variety of games to reach all ages of children, all abilities. It includes target games, it includes math, STEAM, so going cross-curricular throughout the school and being able to incorporate that not only in PE, but being able to incorporate all the other subjects into movement to hopefully encourage them to want to learn the different skills and different classes more, because we're not just sitting and doing it. We're up and moving and can do teams and kind of compete against each other and make it fun in different ways.
Putting movement into learning helps the kids stay motivated and want to learn more.
The engaging activities can all be customized to focus on specific instructional concepts.
My goal is that they understand how to create that custom content to be able to support and leverage the important things that are happening in teaching and learning every day here.
The training session let the teachers try out the activities so they can be ready to use the Lou with their students.
I like playing it because it was a very quick game. There's different distances you can throw the ball from. You can go up and touch the different answers or whatever the game might be.
I really like how you can change the math facts. So if you were working on addition in first grade, you can change it to addition. But if you're in the upper grades, you can change it to multiplication or division for the math games that they have for the program.
The Lou Interactive Playground Professional Development Session was led by a representative from PowerUpEDU, and it lasted about 2 hours. At Mossy Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.